The first thing you need to be doing on a regular basis is getting medical treatment. This is very difficult for most people who apply for Social Security disability benefits because they don't have a job, they don't have insurance, but they don't have any money. So how are you going to be able to afford to go to the doctor? And it's a circular problem because if you can't afford to go to the doctor, you're not going to win your Social Security disability case because you don't have any medical records to show the judge and the Social Security Administration what is going on with you. When someone comes to me and they're in that position, I advise them to do a few things. The first thing I advise you to do is apply for Medicaid at your local social services. If you have your Medicaid application filed, you may receive a denial on it, and you will have to appeal that denial and have a Medicaid hearing scheduled. So if you do apply for Medicaid and you are denied for Medicaid, you do have to appeal that denial and have a hearing scheduled with the Medicaid hearing officer. The next thing that you can do is check around to see if there are any free or low-cost clinics available in your local area. Some areas have a sliding scale where you only pay, based on the money that you have. In your situation, you don't have any money, so the amount of money you should have to pay on that sliding scale basis should be very low. The next thing you can do is check with your local health department and see if they can provide you any type of medical treatment or any help at all trying to get your medications. Lastly, you can contact the pharmaceutical companies that make your medications, and you can try to get on their patient's assistance programs. And once you've done all these things, if you exhaust all these remedies and you still cannot afford to go to the doctor, in the very least, when you go before the ALJ, the administrative law judge, you can say, Your Honor, I applied for Medicaid. I tried to get help at my local health department. I tried to go to a free low-cost clinic, and I just didn't have the money, or I just couldn't get in these programs. Effort counts for a lot.